To solve problem number 3 in lesson 5.3 in the Discovering Geometry textbook, you need two of the conjectures that were learned today in class. The first one that you need is called the trapezoid consecutive angles conjecture. And basically what that one says is that between the two bases of any trapezoid, the consecutive angles that are not base angles are supplementary. So these two add to 180. That's true in any trapezoid. The next conjecture that we need is the isosceles trapezoid conjecture. This one says that in an isosceles trapezoid, the base angles are congruent. In other words, the angles that share a base. So if I look at the top base, I can see these two will be congruent. If I look at the bottom base, it will be these two that are congruent. Let's take a look at how we use. For problem number 3, we're going to start by looking at the fact that it's an isosceles trapezoid. So we'll use the base angles conjecture, or the isosceles trapezoid conjecture. It says that if you have a base, the two base angles have to be congruent in an isosceles trapezoid. So 128 and y are the same degree measure. The second conjecture that we will look at is the angles between the bases. So if I look at y and x, the conjecture says that these two must add to 180. So to find x, take 180 minus the 128. That will give you the degrees for x.